This is lab number 13 for Mechatronics using Bluetooth or a joystick to control a sequence of LEDs. As you can see here, we will be using a joystick which we have hooked up to the Arduino, as well as we have these 4 LEDs in a sort of rhombus pattern. Over here is the code that we're going to be using to run the Arduino. It's already plugged in, so if we grab our joystick here and move it, there we go, and move it down, the blue LED lights up. Move it up, the yellow LED lights up. Move it to the left, the red LED lights up. And if we move it to the right, the green LED lights up. Up is yellow, down blue, right green, red left. This is part 2 for lab number 13, using a joystick to control LEDs. In this part, as we move the joystick, the LEDs will start blinking. The closer the joystick gets to its endpoint, the faster the LEDs will blink. Over here is the code that we'll be using to run this particular sequence. And it's already plugged in, so just grab our joystick over here. We start moving it down. You can see the blue LED starts blinking. The farther and farther we move it down, the faster the blinking gets. And then once we move all the way, it blinks as fast as it does, and then we move back up. And it starts to slow down until it's back at the center. And we can do the same thing pushing back up, and the yellow LED will start blinking slower, and faster and faster and faster, until it's blinking at about 20-second intervals. And then we bring it back down, and it slows down again. Going to the right, the green LED will start blinking slowly, and then faster, 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 until it's right there, and then bring it back down slower, slower, slower. There we go. And then finally the red LED will go into the left. It starts out slow, and then gets faster and faster and faster and faster and faster until it's at its fastest. And then if we bring it back to center, it'll slow down again. And there we go. So you can see going down on the blue, up on the yellow, right on the green, and left on the red. There we go.